Slow down your aging today with new science.
The DNA is the genetic code, and every time the cell divides, you have to copy that code. Every time the cell divides, the DNA gets a little shorter, but nature, of course, being quite intelligent, adds a piece of DNA at the end that is not the gene. It's just an extension. It's called a telomere. Every time I copy it, I lose a piece of the telomere, but I didn't cut into the genes. What's aging all about? Aging result when you copy the DNA so many times that you run out of that telomere, and the next time you copy, you're cutting off the gene, which interferes with your biology. And the scientist back in the 60s, Leonard Hayflick, calculated how many times can a cell divide before it runs out of telomere? 90, 100 years at max, and that's your lifetime because that's when you run out of telomeres. That was very depressing because it says, oh my God, if I'm under stress, I actually cut the telomeres even faster. The more stress you're under, the more they disappears. Now, scientists found there was an enzyme called telomerase. It adds the length of the telomere. So as the cells are dividing, if you can activate this enzyme, it will extend the telomeres so the cells have relatively unlimited lifespan. So they start to find out, well, what influences the telomere? Well, the biggest thing is lack of love. If you have a lack of love, the feedback will shut off the telomerase enzyme. Stress shuts off the enzyme. If you have no gratitude or appreciation of life, it shuts off the enzyme. Why? Well, if you don't like life, then why give you extra life? That's what the enzyme is just responding. Love and self-love, which is most critical, is one of the big drivers of telomerase. Gratitude and joy of being in this world enhances the enzyme. Why? If you love the world, you want more, and the cells will give you more. The most important contributor to telomerase activity is service. That you are doing something on this planet, you have a mission to do something, and that your nervous system is telling your cells, I'm not ready to go, I have a job to do.